Here we have an incredible looking Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS in for the Track Manager S5 and the Canimo Immobiliser.
Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS in for the Canimo Immobiliser. We've also done the S5 tracking system from Track Manager. You get 2 tags in your pack, so basically the vehicle moves without one of these tags present. You'll get an immediate phone call. Obviously with the Immobiliser it's not going anywhere, but if they towed it away you get call alerts as well. So I'll do a quick demo. Vehicle will start and run, but if you try and select gear, we've got nothing at all. So it's completely locked out until we enter a code using buttons available around the car. So if I enter the customer's quick demo code, you get a double flash now the hazards. Now it goes into gear. We'll put it back into park, and then this system for convenience arms as you exit the vehicle. So as we open the door, double flash, we're now fully back armed. And if the vehicle was towed away without the tag with the tracking system, you'd get an immediate phone call and get alerted that this vehicle is on the move. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call, Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.